Alright, let me welcome you guys. Today I'm actually building up, assembling the IKEA Vatoma desktop, countertop, kitchen top, whatever you like it, bar. You'll see it. It looks pretty cool. You can see I've actually taken out some of the items from the box already, but there's still plenty of building ahead of me, of assembling. So here are the different parts, and at the end I'm gonna put this nice dolcegusto coffee machine on the countertop. So please keep watching and see how I deal with this small home installation. Alright guys, first of all I need to get those screws nice and selectively. I need to put them in order. Alright guys, as you can see, well, I have nicely ordered all the screws and the things I need, the bolts I need for assembling this nice countertop. So let's start building it now. I always have some handy tools with me, so definitely when you build or assemble IKEA items, it's good to have screwdrivers, a small hammer and pliers. So these two come together in a way that this goes from the top and that gets screwed in, locked in place, just like that. Time to install the countertop. So the tabletop will be there. using such tighteners, such steel tighteners, I need to screw the countertop. Now to install this bar over the countertop. It's ready. Let me show it to you up close, guys. So this is how it looks after being built. All right, very cool. And we have shelves here beneath. So this can be a kitchen countertop or a nice little bar. Well, looks excellent overall. And the countertop is really nice and beautiful. Okay, so let me put those hooks up. So this can be nice for cups or frying pans or whatever. But it's really, really, really nice. Let me put on the coffee machine and show you the final effect, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I've managed to finish the coffee corner. It's kind of cozy. We have some seating places. And obviously the most important, the coffee machine, which is a dolcegusto Jovia. So here we have the capsules on the shelves. Here I'm still gonna put some coffee creamer, and here's some more capsules, and there's gonna be cups on the top here. So overall I'm pretty proud. It looks kind of cool. and that's how it is. Here you can sit nicely. Alright guys, now testing the coffee. I'm having the coconut flat white. Here's some more coffees. Peru, Costa Rica, Brazil. Alright, and here's the golden milk, the Indian drink. Alright, so hope you like it.